Keep it on. Keep it on means just keep it. Are you moving it?
Yeah. You're moving so fast. Shake your hips. Shake your hips. There you go. Oh, Zoe, stop whining.
He thinks that we're some person.
Keep dancing. Shake the hips, Lydia. Shake your hips. There you go.